ladies and gentlemen. How do you do? I'm your host, Seth Julian, wishing you a good morning and welcoming you to today's session. We're going to look at a continuing story, a very serious story that's taking place in the UK. The currency is hitting record lows. The stock market is plummeting. They're headed into some very, very rough waters, and this provides trading opportunities, ladies and gentlemen. So the first thing I want to present to you is this index. This is the dollar index. You need to understand this in general terms. The dollar is very, very strong. This is an hourly chart. I'll give you a weekly chart just to show you the big picture. Va-va-va-voom, okay? That is a very powerful strengthening in the U.S. dollar. The reasons are geopolitical and monetary. Interest rates are rising, attracting popularity in the dollar, people taking their foreign currency and buying dollars with them. So that makes every other currency weaker against the dollar. That's the basic background to that. So therefore, when we take a look at a currency like the pound, which has its own particular problem set, it looks bad. And this is bad. This is a 4-hour. I'll give you a daily on this. You see what I'm saying here. The pound is weakening terribly. Now, this is the action I'm focusing. The new government announced a budget-busting plan to ease the energy crisis on its citizens. It's going to cost billions and hundreds of billions of pounds. It's going to wreak havoc and is wreaking havoc with the pound. Now, there's a slight uptick here. I'll give you a little drill down. This is a 4-hour. It's recovering a little bit from this long tail. But this a little bit. See the volume? The volume is tremendous here. This is going to continue, likely to continue down because there's a lot of sentiment here, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I want to point out to you, that there is a tremendous amount of sentiment behind this move, and it's likely to continue. So if we look at the pound dollar, that's likely to be a good shorting opportunity. I'm sorry, my mistake. The FTSE 100 stock index, well, I think I'd be better at this than I'm appearing to be. The FTSE 100 stock index, called the UK 100, this is a 4-hour chart. The daily chart looks just as bad, and the hourly chart equally bad. So on the hourly 4 and the daily, it's strictly down. It's not looking good for the pound. It's not looking good for Euroland, for UK land, ladies and gentlemen. It is in picture. So that's our roundup for today. Dollar, pound dollar down, FTSE down, dollar index up. And just in the interest of full disclosure, these are the capital markets. This is speculation. We could be wrong. You should only be trading with money you can afford to lose. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I am your host, Seth Julian, wishing you all the ability to trade with now.